guys, right now I'm filming on my phone camera. Hopefully I'm looking at the right area. I don't know. It's been a while since I used my phone for videos. But in today's video, you guys, I will be doing my crochet braids for my hair. I'm basically prepping, probably like, I think it's either 1 or 2 weeks before. I think my birthday's in like 13 days or something like that, so 2 weeks before I actually have my birthday. So I'm deciding to do my own hair this time, and like this is the beginning of basically the vlogs for my birthday. I already know my plans for my birthday, y'all. It's gonna be very, very chill with my family, eat, take some pictures, and that's really it. I will still record a little bit about my birthday. I'm gonna be 24 years old, another year of blessings, another day of blessings. Just waking up is a blessing alone. So yeah, but today's video I'm going to be doing crochet braids. You guys have seen me do crochet braids many times. I'm gonna pop some pictures up here and some videos of my crochet braids, and I did those myself, literally. And I also recorded that as well. That will be in the description box below, so go check that out. But yeah, so I'm gonna be doing my own crochet braids, basic black color. I'll show you guys all the supplies that I'm gonna be using for this look. But that's it. If you're not already, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys when I start doing this hair. Okay, so don't mind me, I know I look busted, but this is what the braid looks like. Okay, you guys, hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm gonna show you guys the supplies that I used, and I started doing a little bit of my hair, but this is the hair that I use. It is the Bohemian Wave. That's the curling pattern. It is literally $4.99 at your local beauty supply store, so go ahead and check that out. But it's so soft, like really soft, and just it's beautiful. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna be back close. So I got my little tool that I'm gonna be using. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm gonna go ahead and do some more here, and I'm gonna get a little bit closer so y'all can see what I'm doing exactly to this hair. Alright, let's just get started. Let's get started. You two be so close. Oh my god, you're so close. So I just basically take the hair and I basically just spread it apart. So I'll show y'all, just spread it apart. It's very easy. Just spread it apart. Very easy, and it just comes into this. So I got my thing right here too. I'm gonna be looking at it. But yeah, it's my first time ever doing a video actually with this camera with the crochet braids. Y'all, it's my first time, so bear with me, okay? But yeah, so this is what it looks like. I'm gonna take this hair, let's back up a little bit. Trying to see what I'm doing here. Spread apart the hair. to take the hair, make sure it's lined up, pull it through, attach it to the lac hook. We're gonna do the invisible method. Take the hair, take one strand, do this, take the other one, and pull it through. And pull it through. And that's how you attach the hair. Hope you guys saw that it literally attached. This is the other braid. But yeah. So I'm basically just gonna do that to my whole head. I'm super duper excited. So you take this. I'm gonna leave all my crochet videos in the description box below, so go check that out. I basically do the same things on there, but it was more like a vlog style, so if you like that type of stuff, then go ahead. But this is more like a in-depth kind of tutorial, so yeah. Alright you guys, so that's basically what I do for the rest of my head, for my back part. Obviously when I get back done with the back part, all this back part, then I will go to the front and show you guys what I do for the front. All this is on my hair, and then my mom just basically added the braiding hair to my own hair. So yeah, so it's getting there. I still got a lot to go, obviously, as you can see, but I just want to show you guys a little bit about the back part of my head, and then when I get closer to the front, I'll show you guys that. But that is it, and stay tuned for the next clip. This will be a video style, probably a vlog, I'm not sure. Probably tomorrow I might do a vlog or something like that. You'll see tomorrow, okay? Right now it is 12:55. I'm gonna do a little bit more of my hair, the back, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hey you guys, it is literally the next day. I'm gonna continue doing my hair. It is the 29th of September. It's almost October. My birthday month is in a couple of days. I think in two days or 1 day. So I'm super excited. My birthday month is coming. First few weeks, I think my birthday's on the 12th of October. So I'm trying to get all that I needed to. So I basically went ahead and got some nails sets hopefully they come in time for me to put them on. But yeah, everything's coming together. I planned beforehand because I cannot do stuff. I don't want to be stressed out. Like, if I'm going to be stressed out, I might as well be stressed out now and not stressed out later. So yeah, but I am coming back with my crochet hair. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit more, but I'm gonna speed up the process. Hopefully I can do this as long as my battery is working. But if it turns off, I can always get my other battery, because yeah, I have it right here and it's fully charged. So yeah, so I showed you the hair yesterday, and I showed you a little bit of how I'm gonna do the hair. I'm basically gonna do my back first, so I can really go to the front and show you guys like the front, how I'm gonna do the front. So I did purchase this, and I purchased it in the small size, like a little like kind of like cut here, so I can add it to the front. So that's what I really want to show y'all when it gets to that point. But I want to give you guys a little bit of me doing my hair again. And yeah, maybe I might turn around so you guys can actually, you know, see it a little bit. But once I get like closer here, I want to show y'all. So yes, stay tuned. Like I said, it will be fast forwarded. Thank you guys for subscribing. I love you guys so much. Stay tuned for more videos for my birthday vlog and all this other stuff. So yes, you guys, I'm super excited. Let's go ahead and get started. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Turn your post notifications on for more videos with me. I love you guys so much, and let's get right into the video. Alright you guys, so now I showed you guys the back. So that's what the back looks like. You know, just very simple. I showed you guys the method. So yeah, like I said, I will leave all of my stuff in the description box below for you guys, so you can go check it out. But right now I'm just finishing the back. I decided to just do all the braids in the back, like back here, and then, you know, make my way up to the top instead of doing it like row after row after row. I'm just gonna do it all in the back. So yeah, but this is the hair so far. So we're not done yet, y'all. We still have a lot to go. Usually it takes me a couple of days to finish this hair since I'm doing it by myself. I get time to relax, you know, do things here and there. It's not like solely I'm just doing this video or just doing my hair like back, like straight. So yeah, so I'm just doing a little bit of it, and I want to take a break But that's what I'm going to show you guys for now. If I come back and I want to show you something else, I will. But that's really all it is. I probably might be back when I start the front of my hair. I think today I'm going to be able to do most of my hair today. So that's good. So yeah, thank you guys. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Hey, you guys. So I did most of my hair. I still have a little bit left. Sorry for the noise. My heater is on because it's cold in my room. But I did do most of my hair. I still have a little bit of parts left to do, but not too much. And I have a little bit to fill in and trim and then style. But I wanted to show you guys how I did the front part of my head. I actually purchased a 12-inch hair for this. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. It's very, very small. It's very small and it fits right there in the front of your head. So that's exactly what I did. But I'll show you guys, obviously. And then we're going to end this video. Thank you guys for watching everything this far. I appreciate you guys. Check out my other videos. I will link them down below. My other crochet videos, I will link that down below. Please don't forget to watch those, you guys. They're very informational, and you know, you can get some knowledge and some, you know, feedback and some, you know, just how to do it, so it makes it easier for you guys. But yeah, let me just show you right quick. Thank you guys so much for supporting me, and let's just get on so I can show you guys this hair. But yeah, I like it so much. It's so cute. Okay, so I know you guys are close up. Hopefully you guys can hear me, but I'm gonna just show you guys right quick. I didn't feel like setting up and doing all this other stuff, so I'm gonna just sit on my bed and do it. It's very late. It's 3 o'clock, so let me hurry up and do this video so I can wrap my hair and go to sleep. So basically, I took this hair. This is the 12-inch hair. That's better for your front part of your head. So I got this. So you just take one strand. I'm not going to separate the hair. I'm just going to leave it just like this. But I am going to stretch it out just a little bit. So I just like stretch it out to make it look more natural. And then I just take it right here. So that's the thing. Let me get closer. So this is it. Alright, and this is the tool. Okay, I'm gonna find a spot. Let's see. Okay. So, this is the braid. You find a space, you put it through, not under but through. That's the latch. Take this. Take it off. Grab it. I'm gonna do the invisible method. Take it, put it through like a knot, one more knot, take the hair and pull it. So is there. I'm gonna do one more and show you guys, because I want to make sure you guys saw exactly what I did. So And you close the latch. You pull it through. Take the latch off. Take one of the hair. Two loops, one more, take the hair and pull it through, and then that's the hair. That is it. That is all, and that is it. Hopefully that helped you guys. I tried to do the best that I can to show you guys, and that's just what I did. I tried my best, y'all. Hopefully that was helpful. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, you guys. This video was intended to really help you guys, so hopefully I did just that. Hopefully I accomplished that goal. So yes, you guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications on for more videos with me, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.